Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the Clueless Bartender and my name is NJ Mijares. And what I do is I taste and review Pinoy craft beers. Yes, I am a beer nerd. And in this episode, we are going to talk about a particular craft beer nerd topic. Kapag tinatanong ako kung anong favorite kong beer, I would always say it's IPA. And most of the Filipinos kasi na regular beer drinker, they don't really know the particulars or yung mga types of craft beers. And ako din, to be honest, nung nag-start akong mag-explore or mag-research at tumikim ng mga craft beers, hindi ko rin alam kung anong ibig sabihin ng IPA. In fact, when I was starting, I called it IPA. I know now it's cringy and I'm kinda embarrassed to admit that IPA ang tawag ko doon because it was wrong pala. It's IPA. IPA stands for India Pale Ale. India Pale Ale because literally it originated in India. Now, why is it called India Pale Ale? Paano na-discover or paano na-invento ang IPA? Way back, maybe about more than 300 years ago, nung na-invento ang beer, somewhere in around the Middle East yata yan or somewhere or na-develop in Europe, it's either a lager or an ale. 'Di ba? Ang pinagkaiba ng dalawang 'yon, lager is bottom fermenting yeast, tapos yung ale is top fermenting yeast. It's very nerdy. I know it's something na I really don't talk about in this channel because hindi ako masyadong bihasa or hindi ako masyadong, actually I'm not an expert at all about beers. But in this episode, I thought baka pwede nating pag-usapan. Anyway, so lager versus ale. And then naging mas popular ang mga ale throughout around Europe. And then eventually, nung nagkaroon na ng mga galleon trades, mga barko, mga ships na nagta-travel na around the world, dinadala na nila yung mga beer nila from Europe, dinadala sa iba-ibang parts of the world. There was a trade route in India, going to India. And then eventually, na-discover nila na pag nagdadala sila ng ales papuntang India, madaling napapanis, na nasuspoil agad yung beer. So, hindi mahaba yung shelf life ng mga beer, ng mga ales particularly. So, what they did was, tinaasan nila yung ingredient ng hops and malt. Okay? So that pagka nag-ferment yung hops and malts, mas tumaas yung alcohol content niyan, and therefore mas matagal ang shelf life. And then eventually, yun na nga, yun na yung naging style ng beer ng mga trade route galleons na coming from India back to the European countries. And so they called it IPA, India Pale Ale. Anong difference? Main difference between ales and IPAs is the alcohol content. And yung lasa at yung bitterness ng hops. Because nga, mas tinaasan, mas dinamihan yung hops dun sa formulation, mas mapait siya, right? And the effect of that is mas tumaas yung alcohol by volume. Ang mga pale ales, nasa mga around 4% yan to around 6% ABV. Ngayon, pag umakyat na yan ng more than 7%, yun na ang mga tinatawag na IPA. Kaya most of the IPAs na makikita mo sa market, nasa mga around 7, 8, 9% alcohol by volume. Tapos yung mga flavors nila is very strong. Sobrang overwhelming yung pagka-hops at yung pagka-bitter nung lasa at nung flavors ng mga IPA. Now, there's something called double IPA. And that's the reason why I'm talking about IPA in this episode, because I have here a can of something called double IPA. Happy Side Double IPA. This is a craft beer brewed in Aurora, Baler by a craft brewery called Happy Side. And it says here it's 8.0% alcohol by volume. Now, ang tanong, ano naman ang pinagkaiba ng IPA at saka ng double IPA? Actually, simple lang. Kung mas dinagdagan nila yung hops ng IPA, mas dinagdagan pa, dinoble ang hops ng double IPA. So, mas mataas siya than the usual IPA. That's the only reason, that's the only explanation about double IPA. And sometimes may makakita rin kayo ng mga beers na matataas ang alcohol by volume content. And sometimes they call it Imperial IPA. Actually, it's the same. Imperial IPA or double IPA. It's almost exactly the same. Interchangeable yan, as far as I know. Anyway, so here we have nga this double IPA and we're going to taste this today in this episode. Before natin tikman, let's talk about the brand itself. Actually, na-meet ko na yung brewer na gumawa nitong can na to. He is one of the many craft beer brewers or microbrewers na very much active sa craft beer scene dito sa Pilipinas. He makes these beers doon sa Baler, but from time to time, nagpupunta siya rito sa Manila para mag-participate sa mga craft beer events. And when he does that, he always calls me up and tells me na, "Oy, meron akong dalang mga beer. Would you like to have some bottles?" And of course, me being a fan of Pinoy craft beers, local craft beers, I would always say yes. Dalan mo ako ng craft beers, bibili ako. I will put a link down below and I will put a graphics right here kung saan available itong beer na to. They have it, I think, in restaurants and in some bars in Aurora, Baler. Okay, so anyway, wag na natin patagalin. It's very much similar to what San Miguel Pale Pilsen looks like. But it's a little bit hazy. Mas hazy siya than your usual golden ale. Bago natin tikman, amuyin muna natin yung aroma niya. As expected, malakas yung pagka-hops. Malalaman mo na it's hoppy ang beer pagka medyo amoy tinapay siya. Mas amoy bready than usual. Oh, there's barley. That's why it smells like a little bit like bread. There's barley, hops, water, yeast, and passion and science. Excited na akong tikman. Let's taste it. Okay, immediately what I felt like was the bitterness. It's immediately noticeable. And it's a little bit more bitter than the usual mga IPAs na natikman ko na. I can already feel yung gumuguhit yung, here, the bitterness in my throat right now. Sometimes kasi ang bitterness, sa bibig mo lang yan malalasahan or masisense. But this one, hanggang dito sa loob dito sa lalamunan, I can feel the bitterness. But that's good. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. And I like my beers really bitter and strong. Lalo na pag IPA ang iniinom, I expect that. Kasi kung mahina ang bitterness ng IPA or ng hoppiness ng IPA, nadidisappoint ako. And I feel like you're just drinking the usual mga lagers or ales. But this one, yes, I like the bitterness of this one. Love it. I love tasting yung mga local microbreweries na beer, na craft beers like this. Because this is something na unlike any other na makikita mo or matitikman mo dito sa Metro Manila. I feel like there's something different kapag nanggagaling sa ibang lugar or sa malayong parts ng mga probinsya yung craft beer na iniinom ko. I don't know, maybe I'm just medyo may pagka-idealistic na may bias na rin ako na in my head na kapag local beer from the Visayas, let's say, or in this case from Aurora, Baler. Feeling ko mas masarap because it comes with that cultural bias that I'm drinking something that helps that culture or that helps that microbrewery outside Metro Manila. So, but yeah, in all honesty, I like these kinds of beers. I feel like I'm really drinking a strong beer. Which it is, because it is 8% alcohol by volume. So, mataas siya talaga. Anyway, what else? Let's talk about the flavors. The flavors are very complicated. May nasisense akong parang a bit na parang smokiness to it. I don't know where I'm getting at, but that's the impression na pumapasok sa mind ko. Lalo na kapag nandito na sa lalamunan, I can feel I don't know, maybe it's the hops, it's the type of hops na ginamit niya or the barley na ginamit niya. Ang sarap ng flavor, I like it. Let's talk about the finish. And because it's IPA and it's a double IPA, obviously, malakas talaga yung flavors and it lingers. The finish of this is long and strong. Meaning, kahit kanina ko pa nalunok yung beer itself, kahit nasa lalamunan ko na, up to now, nararamdaman ko pa o nalalasahan ko pa yung bitterness and yung flavors. That's the kind of IPAs and beers na nagiging favorite ko. By the way guys, before we continue, gusto ko sana magpasalamat muna dun sa mga nag-subscribe na, sa lahat ng subscribers dito sa channel na to. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. So, is this something that I would drink often? Well, yeah, definitely. Feeling ko, kung meron ito regularly dito sa Metro Manila, I would gladly order more of this. But yun nga lang, it's very occasional lang na nagkakaroon or nagdadala siya dito sa atin sa Metro Manila. But yes, this is something that I would drink often because I love beers like this. One of my wish and one of my desires is makapunta sa Baler at mabisita mismo yung brewery nitong Happy Side. Not just the brewery, but the province itself. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakapunta ron sa part na yon ng Pilipinas. So, I'm excited na sana makarating tayo doon tapos mabisita ko yung brewery nitong Happy Side. Anyway, so, yun na lang muna guys. Thank you for watching this video. And let me know down in the comments kung nakatikim na kayo ng mga Pinoy craft beers. Comment nyo down below kung ano yon, ano ang favorite nyo, and anong klase ng style ng Pinoy craft beers ang natikman nyo na at yung uulit-ulitin nyo. Cheers!